Today, I'm going to be showing you a day in my life as an Amazon intern. I've been working at Amazon Web Services in Sydney for around 7 months now, and last week I started a new role in the professional services team. This internship is for 3 months over the summer, and because of COVID restrictions, I've been mainly working from home, but slowly transitioning back into the office for a few days a week. In this video, I'll be showing you a day in the office, but I'll also be making another video showing you what a day working from home is like. So if you're interested in seeing it, please consider subscribing to stay updated. Every day, I wake up at around 7 o'clock to get dressed, get ready, and prepare for the day ahead. On the days I go into the office, I join my sisters in the car on their way to school and get dropped off at the local train station. It's a 20-minute train ride to work, and on the way, I either listen to some music or read books on my Kindle. Today, I'm reading a book called Atomic Habits, and it talks about how the smallest changes in your routine can develop into life-changing outcomes. The good thing about the office is that it's very close to the train station, so on rainy days like today, I don't really need to use an umbrella during the commute. When I go into the office, the first thing I do is get my temperature checked and collect one of these wristbands. I usually work with around 5 or 6 other interns in the office, and we decided to invest in some bread to make sure we eat our breakfast every day. How is it?
It's alright, not bad. It's not bad. I can see people eating it, but I wouldn't eat it again.
As an intern, my days are typically filled with meetings, coffee chats, working on projects, and some self-study. So now I'm spending some time preparing for an AWS certification exam I have coming up next week. Studying for AWS certifications isn't really something that's mandatory for interns, but it's a really good way to gain an understanding of technical AWS concepts and get some hands-on experience. At 12 o'clock, I have a virtual catch-up with an AWS Solutions Architect. I typically try to schedule around 2 to 3 calls each week with people outside my team, and I find it to be a really good way to learn about the different roles and teams in the company, as well as get some useful career advice from people from all sorts of backgrounds. Now it's time for lunch, and today we're heading to Darling Square to try out a new place called Toasty Smith. After lunch, we tune into a virtual fireside chat with an Amazon leader. As summer interns, we get invited to a lot of these online events and Q&A panels, so it's a really good way to hear from some more senior people in the business and ask any questions that we have. It's around 3 o'clock now, and I'm taking a break by getting a drink and chatting with a few people in the kitchen.
Oh, you gotta get the water coffee, then they give you like a because it's like a biscuit. I bet so. It's good. Alright.
What did you do today?
We went for a good stroll down Darling Harbour. But yeah.
For the next 2 hours, I sit down to do some work. And since it's the second week of my new role, I'm mainly going through some training modules to gain an understanding of my intern project and learn more about what the team does. After work, we head to a dinner and drinks event and get to know some interns from other teams. And this basically wraps up my workday. Now I head home, spend some time with my family, help out with some chores, and get ready for bed. If you enjoyed seeing a day in my life as an Amazon intern, please give this video a like and subscribe for more tech and student advice videos. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. Bye for now!